Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study parts of computers and how to on the computer and how to off the computer. So, dear students, you can see some parts of computers. Only few parts of computers I am going to show you. So, first one we can see here. Here we have this is the monitor LCD monitor. Okay, so we have different types of monitors that we will study later, but first we will study few parts of computers. Like first one is monitor. What is it? Monitor. Next, second one we can see here one box. Okay, so this is known as CPU box. Here this is the CPU box. Next we will study the third part is here keyboard. This is the keyboard. We can see here. What is it? Keyboard. This is the keyboard. The fourth part we can see here mouse. What is it? It's a mouse. And the fifth part we can see here mouse pad. This is the mouse pad. And the sixth part we can see here speakers. This is the speaker. We can say speaker. The whole here one. These are the speakers. Okay, this is the speaker. And one more I will show you CD writer or DVD writer. Here this is the CD writer or DVD writer. And one more important part, that is the power cable. That power cable we will keep in the switchboard to on the computer. Next, how to on the computer and off the computer. So for that what we have to do is, first we can see here the computer is on now. Okay, and we can see in the CPU we have a blue light here. This is the CPU box. In this box we have a power switch or a power button. Here this is known as power button. So now the computer is on. Now how to off the computer. First we will learn how to off the computer. So in this we can see here a small icon or a menu. This is known as the start button. Here this is a small icon. This is known as the start button. First what we have to do, with the help of the mouse we have to click on the start button. We can see here after clicking we will get a menu. In this, here we can see one option known as shutdown here. So we have to click on this. Now what will happen? We have to wait till your computer off. Now you can see here shutting down. Within few seconds your computer will shut down. It will take some time. So still it is on only, it is not closed. You can see even the light also. Now the light is also off. Now monitor also we can see it become black. Now to on the computer. To on the computer, first what we have to do, students? Here we can see our power cable. First we have to keep the power cable in the switchboard. Then we have to on the switch. And next in the CPU box we can see a power button. This power button we have to press only once. Slowly we have to press. Now you can see a blue light. Now we can see the monitor also. Your monitor is going to on now because we have on the CPU power button. Now slowly after a few seconds your computer will on. We have to wait. It will take some time to on. Yeah, we can see one here. We can see. Now if you have a password in the computer, we have to type the password. If there is no password, your computer will on directly. After pressing the password, we can see that your computer is going to on. It will take some time. It is showing welcome. In this way we can on the computer and we can off the computer. Thank you, students.